If you were to look at this watch, you'd probably think it was a regular analog watch. At least that's what I thought, but it's actually a hybrid smartwatch. What is up guys, Joel here, back with another video, and this here is the Nokia Steel HR, a hybrid smartwatch that not only can tell you the time, but also it can monitor your heart rate, track your steps, display your smartphone notifications, even track your sleep, and a little bit more. So as of late, I've been trying to get back into working out and living a healthier lifestyle, and Nokia was awesome enough to send out their Steel HR to help me track my fitness goals. So shout out to Nokia for letting me give this a go. Since I have been using it for several days now, I figured I'd give my first impressions and thoughts about it. So at first glance, you'd think it is just a regular circular analog watch, which is something I really like. I'm a fan of circular watches, and the Steel HR is a nice looking one. It's quite appealing, and I've even been complimented when wearing it out. But as I mentioned, the Steel HR does more than just tell time. Looking closer, you'll find a heart rate sensor on the back, and on the front you'll see an activity dial which will show your progress towards your daily step goal, and right above that you have a digital display. Here you'll be able to see different information by simply pressing the button on the side and view the date, your heart rate, steps taken, the distance, calories burned, an alarm, and the battery life. It does have a companion app known as HealthMate where you can view all the information it has gathered. So here you'll be able to see your heart rate throughout the day, the steps taken, how well you have slept, and all that good stuff. So you can view it all day to day and track your progress. You can also join in on different programs using this app. So if you want some help on how to sleep smarter day to day, you'll be able to use the Steel HR, and then it'll give you different tips or information of how to sleep better depending on your sleep data. Also, if you have other Nokia health devices, you'll be able to connect them all in this app, so you'll have more health information. I personally have the Body Plus Smart Weight Scale, and it'll automatically sync my weight, so each time I step on it, I'll be able to view all that information alongside my steps and my sleep, all within this app. Now with the Steel HR being able to track your sleep, it can also wake you up by setting up an alarm, and it has a smart wake up feature where it'll gently vibrate your wrist depending on how you set it up, which is pretty cool. I've actually used that a few times and it has been helpful. Now it is easy to track your workouts with the Steel HR. All you gotta do is press and hold the side button, and then you'll get into workout mode. During your workout, you'll not only be able to see the time spent doing the workout, but also real-time heart rate. So you can see if you need to step it up a notch or take a breather. After completing your workout, you can stop tracking it by holding down the side button again. Then you can view all the information using the HealthMate app. If you want to modify what kind of workout it was, because I think by default it does just a walk workout, you can change it so that later when you're going back in your history, you can see what kind of workout it was and see your heart rate during a specific time. So using the HealthMate app, of course, lets you easily track all your data. Now, since the Steel HR does pair with your smartphone, another cool thing about this is it'll be able to notify you when you receive a text message, an incoming call, or an upcoming calendar event by displaying an icon on the digital display and gently vibrating your wrist. I found out that it also even works for reminders on iOS, which is something I use quite a bit, so that is a plus. You can enable and disable these notifications using, again, the HealthMate app, and you can also personalize your Steel HR of what information you like to display on your wrist as well. With this being a hybrid smartwatch, one concern for me is battery. Being a smartwatch user for years now, I'm always charging mine literally every single night, and if I forget to charge it one night, it'll more than likely be dead by midday or even sooner the following day. So if I'm trying to track my steps or workouts, I won't be able to do it because I have a dead smartwatch. With the Steel HR, you won't have to worry about charging it every single day like typical smartwatches, because the battery will last up to a crazy 25 days. It also has 20 days of power reserve mode, which will still give you the time and track your activity. So looking at it now, I'm about 2 weeks in of use and my battery on it is a little over 50%. so I don't doubt it will last at least 25 days, which is awesome. I think the Nokia Steel HR is great for those who want to start tracking their health but don't want something that looks too much like a tech gadget on their wrist. Another thing is you can customize the bands. The one that came with mine is the black silicone band, but they also sent over a couple other bands. So I have the red and also the blue silicone bands along with a black leather band. It's very easy to swap them out, so whatever your preference is, you can do it. Also, I forgot to note this watch here is a 40mm, but if you want something smaller, they also have a 36mm size, which also comes with less bezel. And if you want to pick one up for yourself, you can head over to Nokia's website and save 10% off your whole purchase by using promo code JVTech17 at checkout. I'll leave a link down below if you are interested. I'll definitely be using it some more and wrap up with my final review in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that video. But I'd like to know your thoughts about it. Is a hybrid smartwatch like the Nokia Steel HR something you've been looking for or interested in? Definitely leave a comment down below with your thoughts. But as always, if you did enjoy this video and want to see more, let me know by hitting that like button, as it not only lets me know that you did enjoy the video, but it also shows support to the channel. And if you're not yet following on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, go ahead and do so. That way you'll stay up to date with what is going on. And lastly, if you feel like being awesome, hit that subscribe button and also be sure to smash that notification bell. That way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support very much. But other than that, I'll catch you all on the next one. All right. Peace.